welcome back to our channel. So today it's another day.
Yeah,
we did a video on makeup tutorial for beginners.
Makeup tutorial for beginners.
Yeah. So this is the look. I went with a more natural look.
Yeah, mine is also
natural.
For beginners you can achieve this because I'm a beginner. And
then there are two different types. So there's
Yeah.
there's the one I have, like my look, and her
Yeah,
look. It's still for beginners.
yeah, so guys, if you want to see how we came up with this look,
stay tuned and watch our video till the end.
Yeah.
Then you see how we managed to come up with all this
juiciness,
glamness,
this glam,
Yes.
this glow.
And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends who like
Makeup
even
stuff.
guys. Okay. For my pencil, I'm using Davis Brown eye pencil in the color number 40.
Mine is 18. Yours is
40.
yours is darker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably bigger than yours. So
Yes,
then there isn't as well being paid. So they say, like one slogan in business, they say customers are always right.
So guys, we are highlighting our brows, and for it to become like well outlined and whatever, you need to use a shade lighter than your own skin.
I'm using, you've used mine?
Yes, I've used that one.
It's called a Legal Pro Concealer in the color Toffee.
And I'm already doing my eyeshadow. And for today's look, I like bright colors, so my transition color will be this hot pink. This hot pink down here.
blend out, guys. Don't forget to blend out. There are people who like highlight their brows and just let them stay like that. So I don't think it's good.
Use this. Let me begin with this color.
Done with my eyebrows, guys. So let's do the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. They have the same palette, guys.
I went in with the dark color, and then I've gone in with this, and then I'm going in with this pinkish again, this one, to apply just in the center so that the transition makes sense.
So guys, today I want to mix my foundations. So I'm using this Fit Me from Maybelline, the color number 58, just for the base, to just cover my dark spots. I'm not going with my regular foundation. I'm using a green eyeliner. I don't want to do a black one. So guys, for beginners you can do like a black one. It's easier and most people relate to that. I'm doing a green one.
Guys, please remember to always make sure that your sponge is wet.
Yeah,
I feel like if it's wet, it makes
work easier.
Yeah, and also the coverage becomes better. You see, for me, I have spots on my face, so many, but just one coverage. I don't know whether it's the damp brush or the foundation. Maybe both, but
the damper the brush, the better for whatever. So I'm done with my first foundation coverage, just to cover my dark areas and the chin and left or right.
Left. Time to highlight, right?
Yeah.
Are you highlighting?
No.
Okay, it's my time to highlight.
I'm highlighting. So my regular foundation is this from Revlon. This is my favorite foundation in the color number 19. I don't know how to pronounce the name. if you're using a lighter foundation,
Yeah.
you go in with the powder, like a finishing powder, which is your color.
Oh yeah.
So
True.
that it's like
blends.
it's like reduces. It's called reduce or tones down the creaming foundation.
So for highlighting, for blushing again, guys, I also just choose one of these colors, and I like using this. Still pink. I love pink, so obviously blush, especially pink.
Yeah. I rarely blush myself. I rarely.
I love blushing. It makes a difference. You should try it.
For my lipstick, I'm doing a nude gloss. So I've used my shiny gloss called Shiny, and color number, is it color number? No, number 12, guys, you can see. Then I'm going in with my lip gloss, just shine a little bit. So I'm done. So let me bring my powder.
You're already done?
Yeah, I'm done. Today I
Your
finished.
lips look nice. Ooh.
Anyway, guys, let me finish off with my powder.
So I don't like using lipstick, guys. So I use this lip balm. It's almost finished. It's from MAC, Color Dazzle Glass. What color? Yeah, Color Dazzle Glass.
So for my setting powder, I use this Revlon color stay in the color cappuccino. Then I have a number. So and yeah, finish off. So let's do a final look.
Yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so this is our final look, guys.
And I have done my scarf off camera. If you'd like to see a tutorial of how to do scarves, comment down below and let me know.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the final look.
So this is the final look, and we hope, guys, you've learned a thing or two.
Yes.
Yeah. This, for beginners, it's actually...
Yeah. It's a good look. Looks nice. I wish there was no corona so that we go out and have maybe lunch or something.
Yeah. So
I feel like we've done a good job.
yeah, so guys, remember to
Subscribe if you're new to this channel. to like, comment, and share if you're not new.
Yeah, and for those people that have been with us since the beginning,
thank you
so much
for your support.
Yeah, you've been amazing.
Yes,
we love you so much. So
stay safe. Yes, take care of yourself amidst this corona
crisis and whatever,
and eat good food.
Let's just have eat good food, wash clothes. The other time I said wash clothes and then you were like, huh?
Oh, wash your clothes.
Wash your hands. Just follow the basic tips on how to stay safe.
Yes.
And everything will be okay.
Okay. So from us to you guys. Bye bye. See you in our next video.